Hey there friends, welcome to another quick video. I'm checking out the Larinest 1200 watt blender. It has some nice features, got some suction cups on the bottom here. Lots of safety features. This will not operate unless this is locked in place and the lid on top of that. So that's cool. Made a smoothie already in this one, and now I'm gonna be throwing in a smoothie real quick in this little one just to show you. I'm gonna use some blueberries, kiwi strawberry blend, some kale. This is also dishwasher safe. Everything except, of course, obviously the motor, which shouldn't need to be washed. It has a nice, like a stainless steel, a black look, and also quite powerful, as we'll soon find out. Throw some milk in here, and we got a nice, tasty, little healthy snack here. Okay, and this one just locks into the top. I like that this, you don't have to screw a lot like other ones. You have to like multiple turns to get it locked in place. Our other blender, you have to really crank it down just to get it tight enough so it doesn't leak. This one doesn't leak at all. Very nice. Lock this in place, the power button comes on, and then we can just put it on high. Turn it off. I like this is not a very loud blender. That is cool. That comes off easily. We can take this off, no problem. It has a little kind of a dome feature there, so that kind of keeps stuff from spilling over, which is nice. And this has a lid too, so if we want to take our smoothie with us, we can just turn this in and lock it in place and take it with us wherever we're going to go. That is nice and spill proof, so it's not gonna get all over the place. Really cool. And then we can enjoy our smoothie whenever. Whew, that's a really thick one. And cold, but delicious. Very nice blender, my friends. I like that it's not super loud too. It's got plenty of power, but not like deafeningly loud like some other blenders I've had. So really cool, kind of lightweight. These are both like heavy duty plastic, very nice. The blending blades are these super kind of burly, like heavy duty stainless steel, so they're not gonna get all rusty, and no leaking out of the bottom. Really nice. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.